What is up, YouTube family? Welcome back to my channel. So I know I've been MIA for 2 weeks, but that is because I just had my 2-year anniversary with my lovely girlfriend. So I didn't really have time to make videos or edit videos, and I didn't want to make time, to be honest. I just wanted to hang out with her, just go out and do stuff. So that's what I did, and I apologize for the inconvenience, but I am back now, and I'm going to continue making videos. So before getting into this video, something new, I did go ahead and get a nose ring. I went with my girlfriend. She got a septum piercing. I got my nose ring. I've been wanting it for a while, and I finally got it, so that's pretty cool. And let's see, so recap really fast before getting into this video. 2-year anniversary with my girlfriend, it was super cool, it was nice. We love Suicide Boys, so we went to go see them the day of our anniversary, which was the 15th. I thought it was pretty cool because we didn't really know what we wanted to do, where we wanted to go, and then I saw that Suicide Boys was having a concert, and I was like, baby, let's go. She's like, okay, let's go. So we went, and it was amazing. It was so much fun. As always, this was our 3rd time seeing Suicide Boys. So that's pretty cool. We have Ghost Main next month. Again, for the 3rd time. We saw Booyah twice. Yeah, we saw Booyah twice. But enough of that. So we went to a Suicide Boys concert. We went to Pumpkin Nights in Pomona, which was super cool. What else? We went to go watch some movies at AMC. We did hit up this bar called Skinny's, and it was pretty cool because, yeah, it's a bar, but it has a dance floor. And we were just dancing the night away, it was so much fun, so cool. I did have an eventful 2 weeks, so that was pretty cool, but like I said, I'm back at it with the videos. So for this video, we're going to be doing another unboxing. It's not going to be Spreza, not going to be Bespoke Folks. This one's actually going to be Dollar Shave Club. So before getting into this, if you don't already know, Dollar Shave Club is for men, but they just changed it so it's for men and women. But it's cool because it's not necessarily a monthly service. It's more of a convenience thing for you. So the way the Dollar Shave Club works is you have a whole bunch of categories to choose from. You have cologne, shaving, facial care, shampoo, stuff like that. Just any kind of stuff that you are interested in. And the way that it works is you go ahead and choose whatever category you want to get into, and you can mix and match. You can get a shampoo, a cologne, shaving kit, whatever you want to get. But the thing is, the more items you get, the bigger discount that you receive. So let's say you have 2 items in your cart, you'll have like a 3% discount off. If you have 6 items in your cart, you get 15% off, and it just goes like that. I think it's really cool because that's actually where I started with my shaving stuff, because I used to have a full-grown beard. Not full-grown, but I used to have a full set of beard, and every time I would try shaving, I would always get cut, I would get rashes, I would get like bumpy skin. But with Dollar Shave Club, it was really cool because I've never had a shave that was that smooth, so close to the skin, and it was so smooth. And the thing is, I've tried the shaving cream, the shaving gel, the shaving foam, that comes in a can. All of those ended up scratching my skin, or it would end up cutting me, or it just wasn't smooth. I had little tiny prickly hairs still coming out. But with Dollar Shave Club, they have a shave butter, for example, where it literally feels like you're putting butter on your face, but it's so smooth, and it makes it so simple for the blade to come in contact with your skin without actually damaging or cutting your face. But it's cool because one of the things that I really like is, reason why I said it's more of a convenience thing, you get to choose whenever you want your box. So it's not like a monthly box where you have to pay every single month and you have to receive it every single month. No, it's more of okay, you know what, I'm going to get all this shaving stuff, and I want my next box in 3 months. Let's say those 3 months come, and you aren't really feeling it, or for whatever reason the income is kind of tight, and you don't have that extra money to spare. You could just be like, you know what, I don't want this box for this month, I'm going to switch it, so That way I could get it in the next 3 months. And that's basically what I've been doing. I think it's super cool, super convenient. I've been part of Dollar Shave Club since 2018, like early last year. And in all honesty, I've probably received only 4 or 5 packages. You know, this one being the 5th one or the 4th one. But that's what I think is super cool. You know, you could just keep pushing it, pushing it, pushing it, and you don't get charged extra. You don't get any like inconvenience fee or anything. You know, it's designed to work around your schedule, and that's something that I think is super cool. So now that we've gotten into that, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. Alright, so another cool thing is Dollar Shave Club's packages actually comes from recycled cardboard. So that's cool. You know, any little way that you can help out the environment, help out the planet, that's cool. So just rip off these little tape tabs here, and let's get into it. Alright, here we go. And every single package that you receive comes with a little readers for your bathroom. So if you're just using the bathroom and you don't want to be on your phone, you can just pick up one of these little booklets that come with Dollar Shave Club's packages. Let's get into this one. Alright, so as you can see, I got a whole bunch of stuff. And the very first thing is this toothbrush. You see how it's like curved and kind of weird? Well, that's to reach those out of reach places that you normally wouldn't be able to reach with your normal toothbrush. So I thought this was pretty cool. I wanted to pick it up. Also, definitely time for a new toothbrush. Believe it or not, guys, this is my current toothbrush. Yeah, I've used it for quite a while. You're supposed to change your toothbrush out every 2 to 3 months, I believe. I've had this since like October last year, so I've just been too lazy to pick up a new toothbrush, but now I have it. And it's cool because it actually comes with a little case, so you don't get it dirty. So that's the first thing that we got. This is the shave butter that I was telling you guys about. I love this stuff. When I first tried Dollar Shave Club, I tried their trial kit. I literally got it for $5, and it came with a mini shave butter, a razor, some blades, and all of that for $5. And that's when I fell in love with the company. But here's the shave butter. So I have my 2 shave butters here. A brand new set of razor handle. This time I only picked out 1 set of razor blades. Usually I get 2. But I still have a whole set from the last time I ordered from them. Oh cool, this is like a little mini trial thing, a little body cleanser. I actually didn't order this, but I guess it came with it. So that's pretty cool. Oh, toothpaste, yeah, I'm excited for this. I got it along with my toothbrush. Here we have some hair and scalp shampoo. The one that I got from Bespoke Post is already running out, so might as well. I added that last minute. Here I have 2 bars of soap, which I think is pretty cool. Lather, wander, and rinse. Has a nice little design inside. Oh wow, this smells nice. Alright, so hydrating body bar. I wanted to choose that, and I thought this was pretty cool. A shower cloth. So I can put my soap inside and rinse it like that. Because what I'm currently doing is I have my loofah and my soap, and I'd like rub it onto my loofah. Might as well, you know. So this is everything I received from Dollar Shave Club, and it is everything that I chose. It is your own personal choice. You get to choose what you want, what you don't want. You literally pick everything out. So I wanted to do something a little different this time, just because whenever I order from them, I only get the shaving butter, the razor handle, and the razors. But I wanted to try something new, so I got some shampoo, some body soap, a lavender body wash thing, toothpaste, toothbrush. That is it for this box. Alright, so that is it for this box, this Dollar Shave Club. It's super convenient, super easy to use. You literally just download the app, look through whatever you want to get, and the more stuff you get, the more items you get, the bigger discount that you receive. So it's a win-win for everybody. You get more stuff, you save more money, and you get to look good, feel good. That's what it's all about, right? So that's it for this video. It's a short little video just to show you guys what I got from Dollar Shave Club. I hope you guys have a good one. I'll catch you on the next video. Oh yeah, also if you are wondering, these awesome little paintings up here were painted by my girlfriend. She used to paint back in the day, you know, but she kind of stopped painting. Same with me, I used to draw a lot growing up. I kind of stopped drawing though. But she did paint these and I thought they were super cool, super cute, and check it out. So, painting, right? And then in the back, very creative, she wrote everything that she wants to tell me, everything that she feels about me for every single painting. Man, I love this girl. She is literally the love of my life. Oh my god. Oh, okay, so before ending this video, one last thing I forgot to mention about our anniversary. We went to go to a rooftop cinema club, which if you guys don't know, I highly suggest. You know, it's great for families, great for date night. It's located in Los Angeles. Well, they have a few, one in San Diego, one in Los Angeles, but most convenient for us is Los Angeles. So the way it works is you buy the tickets online, you choose whatever movie you want to go to. It's super cool. It's an outdoor setting. They have regular seats where you can sit by yourself, or they have the love seat where you can like cuddle with your lover, you know, with your cuddle buddy. It's like a bigger seat, but it's so cool because it's literally on a rooftop in a building in Los Angeles, and they have the screen displayed against the wall. You have headphones. That way you can listen to the movie through the headphones, which I think is super cool. They have bottomless popcorn. If you're a popcorn freak like I am, you can get as many refills as you want for free. They give you a free candy, I think a free soda. They're all different kinds of tickets that you can purchase, and they give you a free blanket because it is an outside setting, and they have like a photo booth and everything. It's so cool. You guys should definitely go. But guess what movie that we saw, guys? We saw The Nightmare Before Christmas. Yeah. You already know that movie's a classic, so I had to take my lady to go see it. So we went, and that was super cool. But yeah, so these paintings are painted from my girlfriend, and I thought it was super cute, super cool. And like I said, she has like little writing in there. So if you're watching this video, your anniversary's coming up, you know, you might want to steal that idea because it was super cute, and I almost cried. Well, I did cry, but I almost cried. But yeah. That is it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you guys on the next one, and I will be posting on the regular again. Until next time.